y'all. Hey, it's your girl A. What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divas? Girl, you already know what time it is. It's time we get cute on a budget. Okay, so I'm here bringing you the best of the best of the best for less. And who don't love the best of the best for less? If you ladies love designer, you love looking timeless, you love looking chic, put together, but you also are working on a budget, you're definitely going to want to check out usbags.ru. I have worked with this brand several times. They have the best of the best for less when it comes to designer bags, designer jewelry, accessories, clothing, shoes. Girl, check them out. I just wanted to show you ladies a few pieces of their items at usbags.ru. Now, before we even get into the full video, check these Chanel earrings out that I'm wearing. Super cute, gives a nice weight, but they are available at usbags.ru. Along with that, my Tiffany style bracelet is also available there as well. They have really good quality jewelry and really good quality bags. Each bag does come in 3 different tiers, but let me show you the jewelry first and then we'll get into that. So this time around, I did pick a Chanel bracelet out. Your items will come in a small gift bag like so. They'll also come in a jewelry box, and they'll also come with a standard jewelry bag. Now, this is the Chanel cuff, and I really liked this when I first saw it because it just gave me summer vibes. I seen myself wearing like a maxi dress and my miracle knot braids. Girl, listen, it was a vibe for me, okay? This actually comes in 2 different colors. It also does come in black. When I first saw it, I thought this is really cute, made very well, and definitely a statement piece. So the next ones we're gonna get into is the bags. Now, I know every girlie loves a good bag, a good designer bag. They are costly. I don't like to go broke buying something. Like, let me just look really nice and still have money in my pocket. Usbags.ru definitely carries plenty of different designer bags. And this is the Coach Rowan satchel, which is available on Usbags. It does come with the hang tag, and it's a really, really cute mini Rowan bag. Super cute and dainty looking. Now, they does come with the signature Coach horse, and on the side, you will notice that the tanning is a little bit different from the front and the back. What I like the most about this bag is it reminds me of a Louis Vuitton Speedy bag. I love this style of bag, but for me, I really prefer to carry it with its handles, and this is what it's giving me, like a more or less Louis Vuitton Speedy style bag. I love this style of the bag, especially because it has handles, and I feel like these are really cute to carry. The cool thing about this bag, it also does come with a removable adjustable strap. So if you want to do like a crossbody, or you just want to wear her and not carry her that day, you can do so with the adjustable removable strap. This is an all leather strap, and they have different notches on here to make it adjustable. Plus, it also does have a swivel hook, so that way your purse doesn't get tangled. And it does repeat the gold hardware color as seen on the rest of the purse. Now, not only does it come with a adjustable removable strap, but it does also come with 2 slot pockets inside, so you can put a couple of cards in there if you choose to. I really like this bag a lot. It's very mini. I'm not really like the small bag person, but this one I'm pretty sure you can fit just enough, like your phone, maybe your wallet and your keys, and maybe like a few essential lip glosses or what have you. I thought this was super cute. Gold hardware definitely sets it off. And what's so cool about it, even on the sides right here of the gold hardware, Coach is engraved into the metal. They have different tiers, like I was saying. There's the original tier, there's the original grade, the top grade, and the super grade. So the original grade is a grade like this, which is the original to the authentic. They look dead spot on. There's nothing missing. If you had an eye for an eye, you probably wouldn't be able to tell that it was a dupe. The top grade is kind of like in the middle threshold price. It isn't as original grade, but it still gets by. It's still super affordable, and it still looks like it's a dead spot on authentic. And as for the super grade, that is the lowest grade on the tier, much more affordable, and the leather may not be 100% all leather, but for the rest of the purse, is definitely going to look dead spot on. So those are the grades, in case you are wondering, on Usbags or any other bag website that may carry those type of grades. Now, the last item is this Louis Vuitton, which is the papillon. And I like this one a lot because, for one, it does come with a dust bag, as you've seen the Coach, but I wanted a denim bag for the longest, and I just really couldn't make up my mind which one. This is one of my favorite designers, and it is a papillon, so it always does come with a smaller bag with it. But this bag is supposed to be for like your lip glosses or your sunglasses or your accessories, and this bag itself comes with a chain, and you can carry her as well as just a purse. I love this because it's so different. It's so unique. You could be like hanging out with your bestie and loan her one bag and you have one bag, but you can definitely carry it, okay? You can definitely carry this one if you choose to. Super cute, super cute. And inside of this, there is also another pocket inside, so that way you can just store your cards. And there's also the Louis Vuitton leather embossed tag. This one doesn't have any pockets because it's supposed to be like the pocket, I guess. But you can always remove the chain if you choose to on the smaller purse. So yeah, I wanted a denim bag for so long, but I really couldn't make up my mind of which one I wanted. But when I seen this one right here, the papillon, and how it came with two and it was denim, this is the one that I wanted. So yes, ladies, that's about it. If you're looking for designer bags, some designer shoes, accessories, or clothing, you'll definitely want to check out Us Bags. I will link everything down below for them. They also do offer free express shipping, and there will also be a coupon code as well. So girl, look, you can't beat those prices, okay? I love y'all. Stay diva and divalicious, and if you stay to the end, please leave me a white heart. Bye.